In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Morph feature in PowerPoint and create a clickable side panel menu. By leveraging Morph, you'll be able to add smooth animations and bring a modern touch to your presentations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up PowerPoint from your computer. If you already have it open, that's perfect. Otherwise, simply access it from your computer's application folder or search for it in your programs. Once PowerPoint is open, head straight to your presentation. If you don't have one started, you can create a new project or work from an existing template. Now that you have your presentation open, start by selecting the specific slide where you intend to apply the morph transition. Maybe it's a slide where you want to visually enhance how one element transforms into another, or perhaps for demonstrating changes in data. When you've decided which slide to work on, click on it to make it active. Next, navigate to the Transition tab situated in the toolbar at the top of your window. It's your PowerPoint's command center for all things transition related. Within this tab, you're going to explore the array of transition options available to you. For this tutorial, our focus is on the morph transition, which is found among these choices. By now, you've arrived at the step where morphing magic happens. Click on the morph option. Morph is designed to seamlessly animate the transformation between slides. It's versatile enough that it can be used for moving objects, changing colors, resizing, and more. You're not just making a slide that looks good, but one that captivates and engages your audience. To see the morph transition in action, navigate to the slideshow view. This will show you the presentation as your audience would view it. Run through the transition to see how the elements glide and transform with natural fluidity. It's impressive, isn't it? It gives your presentation that refined, professional edge. For a clickable side panel menu, you can utilize Morph further by setting up a series of links and changes that make navigation intuitive and dynamic. This is a bit more advanced, but complements Morph's capabilities beautifully. Be sure to explore and experiment with different elements transitioning, such as text, images, and shapes. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures your audience stays engaged with the content you are presenting. The beauty of PowerPoint is in its flexibility and your ability to creatively jump into it to make the content come alive with your own touch. As you familiarize yourself with these steps, keep in mind you can always adjust your approach based on the specific needs of your presentation topic. Make Morph part of your go-to toolkit in PowerPoint and watch your presentations evolve into experiences. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.